Day 166 of opening up a pack of football cards. All right. Couple base, Dobbins, Trey Harris, rookie, and Shedeur Sanders auto. We will take that. That's cool. Shedeur auto. Nico Bomb Squad. We got Demetrius Jr. and Johnson on the red wing. All right. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching.